Hey, today is Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. Today is July 17th, 2019. This is Daniel Rosenfeld, and we're doing Lab 3 about the microscopes. So I have the whole thing set up right here, and I've actually already started, and I'm basically done. So I'll just show you the results. So here we have the microscope, and we are looking at the letter E. There we go. Sometimes see it right there. And this is on the highest power of microscope. There we go. This is the high lens, not the oil immersion lens. As such. Okay, that's basically it. Now in regards to the microscope, we have the ocular lens. This is where you look through. It's a single eyepiece, otherwise it'd be a binocular lens. It's 15 times power. And this thing right here is the arm. This connects to the base and provides support. The base provides the most support to the microscope. And let's see, what else do we have right here? This is the turret. And the turret is the revolving piece that carries the objective lenses. These are the three objective lenses. Right here we have the first one, which is ×4. This is ×10. And the last one is ×40, I believe. Yeah, ×40. The stage clip. So the stage provides the place where you do the slides. The stage clip keeps the slides in place. And right here, turn this over a bit. So we have the illuminator, which provides the light, the diaphragm, which controls the amount of light you could do. And right here, so these are gonna be the knobs. The first one, this is the coarse knob. The coarse knob provides the sharpest, or not the sharpest, it provides the most range of motion. And this is the fine focus knob, which provides the more fine tuning. It adjusts the small increments, and this is more for larger increments. These right here are the stage adjustment knobs. So this is the first one. This one goes left and right, and this one goes back and forth. All right. Quick update. I just dropped a little drop of oil into the letter E focusing slide, and I screwed on the 100 times immersion lens, and I'm gonna take a look through it now. This took very long to do, but I finally realized how to get the oil immersion lens to work properly, and this is the result.